Hello, my name is John Kenwell and today I'm going to take you through the new JCB 1T-2 high-tip site dumper. The 1T-2 is the latest site dumper in the JCB range, updated with the installation of an EU Stage 5 compliant Perkins engine. Perfect for the riggers of the rental market, new features have been introduced to increase machine safety. The unique to JCB drive inhibit system, whereby the operator must be sat on the seat with lap belt engaged before driving, has been introduced as standard as an example of technology being cascaded down from the larger range of machines. Furthermore, a new park brake switch with locking function is fitted as standard to give the operator additional confidence when they dismount the machine. All of the points covered in this video can be accessed via the QR code in each of the machines, which takes you to our landing page for all the quick start guides. All you need to do is select the machine range you need and you can download a PDF version of the quick start guide to view or print as a hard copy. These guides also have additional specification information and frequently asked questions. This is the new JCB 1T-2 startup sequence, which includes JCB's unique drive inhibit system, making it the safest machine in the market and its class. First, locate the battery isolator by lifting the engine cover and turning the battery isolator on. Shut the engine cover and then climb into the cab using the 3 points of contact. Engage your lap belt and the machine must be in neutral when completing the startup sequence. Position the key to position 1 and then preheat the machine using position 2 for the required time. Start the machine by turning the ignition to position 3, take off the handbrake via the console switch, and then move the column stalk into the desired direction of travel, forward or reverse. A double beep of the horn when driving forwards warns bystanders of the machine's imminent movement. The machine will then drive and operate. The 1T-2 is a high-tip site dumper, perfect for loading over a height or into a skip on site. The skip can be raised or lowered, either in its base position or when lifted to height. Ensure you're on hard, level ground when operating the skip, and the machine must always be stationary. To tip the skip in its lowered position, simply push the lever forward. To lower the skip back to its travel position, pull the lever back towards you. To raise the skip, push away the second lever, and at this point the skip can also be tipped using the first lever as previously used. To lower the skip, pull the second lever towards you. The 1T-2 is a compact site dumper, easily transported to site and between sites on the back of a trailer. Decals on the machine show the location of the tie-down points. All daily checks and service points can be accessed at ground level. All service items and check intervals can be found within the operator's manual. The seat base lifts via a gas strut to give fantastic unobstructed access to the engine bay and all checkpoints. This JCB 1T-2 site dumper has safety features built in. However, it is essential that you, as the operator, fully understand the machine before putting it to work. Further details on operation can be found in the operator's manual, which is located on the seat back of the machine. Thank you very much for watching.